Hi, I am Junaid. I have a great experience with One Assist. Actually, I purchased one headset through Flipkart, and I put one year extra warranty through One Assist. During the last period of my warranty period, there is one problem for my headset, and I complained through online to One Assist, and it was a great experience. They solved very quickly, and I got the refundable money within a few minutes procedure only. It was a great experience, and thank you for One Assist for this kind assistance. Okay, thank you.